Next up, Incognito for Gunny. In this, we need to find the house of the mysterious individual west of Tiger Bay Central, then recover intel about the tourist and bring it back. This mission is relatively simple. You'll need to find your way all the way over to the far east side of the map by Tiger Bay. Zooming in, right over here, near the bottom piece over here, in 128-197, pretty much straight in the center, you'll find a building. This is exactly where we need to travel to in order to get this mission done. We'll make our way over there. This area is going to be very well populated with some relatively angry enemies, especially further towards the northeast, but this section, the residential area, seems to be a little bit quieter than the rest of the UNLRA region. If you push in from Juliet 2, you'll land up on the back side of it, but it's more recognizable from the front. So this house right over here is the one that we're looking for with this little overhanging arch entrance. What we need to do is head in here, and as soon as you do, you should get the first part of the mission ticked off. And in order to find the intel we need to bring back, open the front door, then head across just to your right over here, and inside of this room, turn to your right where there's a bed and a bedside cabinet here where you'll find the diary inside of it that you need to pick up and bring back to base to have this mission done. So it'll be called the Mercenaries Diary, and it'll sit pretty much right over here. That's it. Once you have it, you can return back to base, and you're pretty much done with this Incognito mission. So hopefully this video helped you. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.